Barbara Juliper to answer any questions. So if you have any questions,
Madam, meron ng question dito agad.
agad!
Kailan ako magpapakasal?
Ay! Ano po yung pangalan niyo?
Mayu.
Kailan magpapakasal si May?
Ay
Ikaw
magpapakasal.
kung
Ikaw ay
makikinig
sa ito.
dapat
Maghanap ng
jowa.
Yun muna. But you know what? Feeling ko, madam, hindi pa niya alam yung itsura ng future jowa niya. Baka pwede niyo i-describe. Oh,
siya
Ay
nandito.
yun na yun. Figure out na lang kung sino siya. Alright. We have another question.
Yes,
Monica.
madam. From Ken, may question.
Gaano karaming 4 kanto sa inumin para makapag-move on?
Gaano karami? Can you repeat, please?
Gaano kadaming 4 kantos ang dapat inumin para makapag-move on?
Para makapag-move on.
Moving
on
is very.
hard.
Therefore, you
Should
drink hard.
for
Bottles of
4
cantos plus
2
bottles
of gin.
Hilo.
So, marami-rami yun. Marami-rami.
May
Yes,
question din po si EPJ.
Yes.
Tanong ko, when is the best time to drink Ginebra?
When is the best time to drink Ginebra?
Being
Drunk
and happy.
is
Always good.
so.
Drink always.
There you go. Drink always. Ayan. Monica, do we have a question? Ay!
Sa table number 8, meron.
Okay, table number 8. Ayan, medyo malayo siya.
Leo has a question.
Leo.
If gin is in, what is out?
Beautiful.
The
Things
that
out,
are usually
things
that have
no
value, like
are
lives.
Oh my goodness. It got a little personal, madam.
Ito may question din dito.
Yes.
Ginebra San Miguel is celebrating 190 years. Gin is in on World Gin Day. Eto tanong ko, anong mangyayari sa future ng Pilipino at ng Pilipinas, Oracle?
Ang
Pilipinas
ay magkakaroon
ng
maraming kaularan.
ngunit
Kailangan maging
masibag,
at maging
matalino,
ang bawat
isang
Pilipino. Tulad
ng
mga taong
nandito.
ngayon.
Wow. Thank you, madam. Now, madam, I heard that there's actually 2 artworks being raffled off tonight. And these artworks are by Demet de la Cruz. We're going to need the fishbowl. Oh, is it?
Feeling ko itong mga ambassador natin, may mga tanong itong mga to.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So let's ask our ambassadors here, ano ang mga katanungan nila?
All right.
Attorney, why don't you take the lead? Pag-isipan mo, you may be held liable for this.
How can you tell when you found the one?
question.
You will
Be
able
to
to
find
the one
if
you
look at
me.
Madam is right here.
You
Right.
can do the civil ceremony right now, Attorney
Correct.
Manamana. Yes.
We have another
Okay,
question.
I think this would be interesting. Paano ko siya bibigyan ng clue na ready na ako?
Oh!
Being
married,
is very
challenging.
so. Give
Him
challenges like
jumping,
jacks with
clapping.
second have
A
case of
gene.
and third
You
use your
heart
and he
will
know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who do you think is the next sexy model calendar of Ginebra and why?
It's lovely.
Me?
Si Madam na po yun. Yes, for sure. Alright, so, Madam, I heard that you also know the winners of these paintings, these artworks. Now, can we have the fishbowl? 2 artworks by Derek de la Cruz will be given away, and Madam will be announcing the first winner.
The
winner
is James
Gorospe.
Alright. Beautiful. And Madam, there, let's have a photo first with our first winner. Amazing.
is beautiful.
And while the photo is being taken, Madam, I have a feeling that you also know the second winner of the artwork. Who is the second winner?
And
The
winner is
and
Agapa.
Ma'am, can you repeat that?
The
winner
is
and Pagapa.
Anne Pagapa. Anne, are you here? A round of applause for Anne. Congratulations.